Welcome to the Porcea Stone installation on mortar video. Step 1. Prepare your base by excavating the soil, ensuring a slope of at least 2% to allow for water drainage. Step 2. Prepare your mortar mix based on manufacturer guidelines. Step 3. Spread the adhesive on the back of the Porcea Stone slab, ensuring 100% even coverage. Step 4. Lay the required mortar on the ground using a notched trowel with grooves. Step 5. Very important. Gently place down the Porcea Stone slab on the ground with the aid of spacers to ensure even joints. These will prevent slabs from bumping each other and moving out of place. Step 6. Use a rubber mallet to gently level the slabs. Do not use a vibro compactor. Check to ensure the slope is maintained for water drainage. Step 7. Clean any excess mortar residue using a wet sponge. Step 8. Once the laying is complete, proceed with grouting the joints. For more information on the Porcea Stone products, visit porceastone.com.